Good afternoon, all of you. So last explanation about tables and the last point is we can place the different types of content in the table. Text data accepted, headings or paragraphs or images, anchor tags, labels, OLs. How many HTML tags we can place those all the tags inside the table. And moving to the next explanation. So we are designing table little bit attractively and with some special CSS options. Reasons are, once check the some predefined tables of some websites, either our Naresh IT website or IPL 20 IPL points tables, whatever it may be. So observe these tables are lines not available here, means like as our yesterday's boxes appearance not available. At the same time, all rows are the same color. Every row having the same color? No. Some rows white color available and some rows are the gray color available. That also alternatively. So first row white, see that one, core Java white, Python gray color, advanced Java white, data science gray color. The 20 records available, sir. 10 gray color it will comes, 10 white color it will comes. By chance 200 records available, sir. 100 gray color, 100 white color. The table was designed like that. But how to design alternatively like this, sir? With the knowledge of the CSS selectors. We can take the support of class selectors. Create two class selectors. One class selector for the white color appearance settings. One class selector for the gray color appearance setting. Designing of the classes easy, sir. But these classes mapping to 200 records, it's not an easy process. Because class selectors directly not impacting them. See that we are creating two CSS selectors. This is C1 and this is C2. C1 is designed for the even position, even rows, and C2 is designed for the odd rows. Now, I could observe the positions, white color, gray color, count it. Even rows all in one color and odd rows are in the another color. So for even rows appearance, one class selector I defined. For odd rows appearance, another class selector I defined. But now I have total 100 rows, sir. But what to do? In this 150 even rows generally and 50 are the odd rows. But what is actual process? So C1 class 50 times mapping required. C2 class also 50 times mapping required. No discount, no bargains. The Dasra festival available, discounts available as well. No discounts are still. So 50 times you have to write even mapping and 50 times you have to write the odd mapping. In future, data positions changed, sir. Our extra records are added, sir. Well, again, these all the positions become jumbling process. You have to modify all the classes mapping code one more time. So this is actual designing code. Complexity, what, sir? And mapping one complexity. Future, if any modifications available, maybe adding of the new records, deleting of the some old record. But this is current status of the batches, sir. 2 days after the 19th started batches list deleting or not? Yes, when out this batch deleted, Oracle shifting to top. But records positions changing or not? Even places may be going to the odd positions, odd places are going to the even position. But at that time, what about your mapping code? You have to remap it or not? Yes, but it is a lifelong process, not one day. 2 days after batches list changing. Dasra festival after again batches list changing. Now more month batches list is going to changing. But when all the batches list is increasing, decreasing, every time classes mapping changing is not an easy task. But automatically changes if any chance available as well. We have some special CSS selectors. We are not mapping, first of all, but it's automatically applying to all odd rows and all even rows. We are defining two selectors again, some selector 1, selector 2. This selector is automatically linking to all even position rows. Automatically linking. We are not writing any code. How it is possible, sir? Browser understanding my face feelings. And so many months onwards, I'm using this browser together. So a bonding happened between me and my browser. So it's understanding. Hey, it really happens together. Best example, your bike. Last 10-15 years onwards, you are using the same bike, sir. So one day you given the bike to your friend. He's getting trouble to start that bike. But when you try to start, immediately starting. Never faced it, huh? I faced that situations. So bonding happens between you and your bike. Similar thing. So we don't need to map anything, but it's automatically impacting to all the rows. That is the special of these selectors. And the second selector we are writing for the odd rows. Without mapping, first selector applying for all even rows, second selector applying for all odd rows. By chance in future records increasing, decreasing, sir, they are existing automatically. So this type of risky process is not necessary. And in future, you don't need to worry about that one. What is these selectors are? Pseudo selectors. In your 10 selectors list, last second one. Pseudo selectors and also called as the pseudo classes. Recently, I listed 10 CSS selectors. Remember? In that one, 10th one is the pseudo elements. 9th one is the pseudo selectors. A pseudo selectors is some I'm going to using now. Who are not interested to use the pseudo selectors? First explanation, follow it, sir. You can follow the first explanation. Design the multiple classes and map everyone manually to every record. Very risky process. Today you are not getting results, sir. Tomorrow you are getting effect of that one. One record you can delete it, sir. And one batch closed. Batch full, they're closed. But all these bottom records positions changing or not? Confirm. But how many records positions changed? Go to that all records, remap the classes. The very, very risky process. So this is our Naresh IT website only, sir. No, sir. So many times we have these type of things. Alternative rows, different type of patterns. Even positions, some appearance available. Odd positions, some appearance available. This is one of the CSS designed table. Next. So our popular IPL table we are going to open, sir. But at this table also the different look is available. See that all rows having same color only, but the look is completely different than the yesterday's table. Here also CSS implementation is available. I'll show some more effective table once. Wait. So go to the IPL website directly. Observe now here IPL table also appearance. Again gray and white combinations. Headers blue color. Heading part dark blue color. I'll balance 10 teams. So 5 teams in gray color, 5 teams in the white color. So I'm going to designing the same table. This table we are going to design. One more live scenario. And in this table, along with our data, what is this? Images. So table inside images also we have to place. And that awareness I already given yesterday ending of the session. Tables not only data, any type of tags we can place. Except the last green and white red boxes, balance I'm going to designing, sir. Why it's not possible, sir? It is also possible, sir. Some more time taken process. So Naresh IT table I'm not designing. Yesterday we already designed. So we are going to focusing this table. But if you want to design this table, first download that all the 10 logos. 10 IPL teams, 10 logos available. Download those, all the things, first of all. So I already explained couple of times downloading. Right click, save image. Any image, right click, save, right click, save. Yesterday I said one more point, Gada. We can copy the source code of any website also. Right click, go to the inspect, copy, paste, and launch as your own website. So before designing the table, first I'm explaining a selectors information. What are the special selectors I'm going to using? A selector related some information I'm going to sharing to you. Then I'll implement in the table. Pseudo selectors. Pseudo selectors, also called as pseudo classes. What is the special of these, sir? See the point by point, sir. Pseudo selectors also called as pseudo classes. Another pronunciation of these pseudo selectors are the pseudo classes. Why the class pronunciation is comes, sir? Classes actually Java and .NET pronunciation, sir. Yes, sir. In Java, you are writing classes. In my CSS also, we can write classes. That classes we are going to writing now. Next, another special of these pseudo selectors is all are the predefined. Every pseudo selector is a predefined, not our own. Suppose recently we worked with the class selectors and ID selectors. Got a hash symbol available. Some selectors a dot symbol is available. But name who is deciding here? This ID selector name who decides? Programmer only deciding. It's not a predefined name. Sirji, Madam Ji, where is response? Huh? Don't sit idly and lazily. Huh? Try to respond. Otherwise, handling style differently available. 2 sessions classes, 1 session I'm finishing. I have that talent also. Remember that. I can explain 2 months. I can explain 25 days also. Both facilities are available. You are encouraging to second way. So they attract, active and try to respond. But don't sit like as a Hussain Sagar Buddha statue. Hussain Sagar Center Buddha statue available. Hey Buddha, what is HTML? No. Buddha, what is CSS? No response. Because it's stone. We are stone square. Not a stone cube. So we are not gada. Could you try to open the mouse? Breast done gada. No problem. No. I do open your mark. If you are not did brushing, then don't open. This is ID selector. How you know it's ID selector, sir? It's a hash symbol, right? But this ID selector, one name required. That name who deciding? You or me, means developer only going to deciding. So I'm going to writing here test. Now it is a predefined name or own name. Then comes to the class selector here. Some demo I'm writing, sir. Is it predefined or own, sir? Our own. ID selectors, class selectors, 100% names decided by us. But pseudo selectors names already designed, predefined. For name already defined, then what we are doing, sir? Name predefined, but internal content blank. The curly brackets inside what we have to write, that they are not defined. Just a name only defined. So this is predefined name, sir. This is some of the pseudo selector and curly bracket. Inside the curly bracket, fill in the blanks available. That fill in the blanks we are going to fill in as per our requirement of the properties. Colors, height, background, shadows, whatever it may be. So curly bracket and name of the selector is already defined in the software. The same concept in Java and .NET and Python terminology, method overriding. The same concept, equivalence to Java, equivalence to .NET, equivalence to Python. It's called as method overriding. Any idea na this word? When method overriding, what we are doing, sir? Method already defined. But what you are writing, sir? Body you are writing. An existing method, body developer writing. That's called as the method overriding. In interfaces, abstract classes, we are working with this topic especially. Now we are going to overriding the selectors. Selector name ready. When the selector is executing also ready. But what the selector doing? That is not defined. That we are filling the gaps. So pseudo selectors is equivalence to overriding concept in our object-oriented programming languages. A Java, a .NET, a Python, or a C++, or whatever it may be. So pseudo selectors all are predefined. Pseudo selectors all are predefined. Then you don't drop the messages. I'm not opening. Not visible. Huh? Now also not visible. Huh? Okay. So pseudo selectors are the predefined, means names already defined. And when the selectors they are applying, that is also already defined. Browser, they knows the name of the selector, and when they have to apply the selector also, situation also knows. That only no idea is which properties they want to apply, which style they want to apply, that is only browser doesn't knows. So the styles we are going to providing here. So we are providing we are providing only styles. We are providing only styles. Providing only styles, it's nothing but an overriding concept, similar to programming languages. So what are the pseudo selectors available and what is the purpose of the pseudo selectors are? In single sentence, it's not possible because we have n number of pseudo selectors. Every pseudo selector used for some different purposes. The individually discussing possible, sir, single line explanation is not possible. First, I'm giving the list of pseudo selectors. Then I start the explanations about those. So list I'm writing here. One is first child as one of the pseudo selector name. First child is the name of the selector. Next one is the last child. One more selector name. Next one is the nth child. Another selector name. First child, last child, nth child. And one more is hover. Hover actually. We are pronouncing hover. And one more is the focus. One more is the blur. One more is link. Next one active. Next one visited. So next one is the visited. What is all these things? All are pseudo selectors. Purpose of individually we have to discuss. Right now, I'm going to covering the first four options, sir, that is related to our table concept. So what are the IPL tables we watched or Naresh IT table we watched? If you want to design the table in this pattern with less code, especially underline that one, where with very, very less amount of code, you want to design these type of tables, pseudo selectors especially helpful for us, especially the first three pseudo selectors. I'm starting the very first first child, sir. Individual explanations now. First child. Before explaining, first review on previous concepts, sir. Parent and child tags. Is there any HTML? Parent tags, child tags available or not? Parent child also called as main and subtags also. Yesterday also we discussed table is the parent tag and TR is the child tag. Similarly, TR is the parent tag and TD is the child tag. Like that previously, UL is the parent tag, LI is the child tag. These all are the official parent and child tags. These all are. Rest of tags are the unofficial parents and childs. How it is possible, sir? Once observe the program typing order, sir. But H3 is the child, parent or individual tag. Individual tag. So when you are observing the program, generally it look like as an individual. The concentration observer, sir, it look like as a child. Little bit concentration observe. Surroundings also see. Not only that line, no. Surroundings also see that one. The H3 tag we typed inside the body tag. H3 tag is typed inside the body tag. So now the bodies becomes as a head tag and H3 is becomes as a child tag. That is unofficial relation. We build that relation. Next, title, sir. Child of the headed tag. And head is already child of the HTML. So HTML is the root tag of all HTML tags. HTML is the root tag of all HTML tags. Similarity or Java.NET Python, sir. Object class is the base class for all classes in your language. Java students, I think you know very well this point. Object is one of the predefined class. It's available in java.lang package. And what is the special of this one, sir? It's a base class of all Java classes. Even .NET also same. Python also, I think same. No guarantee about that one because I'm not Python person. Java.NET is the confirm, no doubt at all. So the rest of classes, system class, date class, scanner class, student class, employee class, product class, all are subclasses of these classes only. Like that, HTML tag is the base tag for all HTML. Because if you are writing any tag, see that the location of all these tags. This is HTML begins and this is HTML ends. So title or head or divisions, everything should comes inside the HTML tag only. So HTML is basically two childs. One is the head, second one is the body. And a head tag, they have the couple of childs. Nearly 6 childs available, sir. One is the title tag, second one is the link tag, third one is the style tag, and upcoming tags, so meta tag, base tag, and script tag, JavaScript tag. These are the childs of the head tag. Next, like that body also, sir. So body tag is there. And body tag also we have number of childs. Except these 6 tags, rest of n minus 6 tags, the 96, 86, 76, those all are the childs of the body tag only. So H1 is the body of the child tag. H2 is the body of the child tag. Even the paragraph is body of the child tag. Image is also body of the child tag. Like that, table is body of the child tag. Table is also body of the child tag. And TR body of the child, sorry, child of the body are table. Tables. And one more level of inheritance. So this is called as hierarchy. Tags hierarchy. This hierarchy in our programming is called as inheritance. Which inheritance are? Hierarchical inheritance. One parent, child's, grandchild's, four grandchild's. Our family is expanding like that, like as our mango tree. Our bunny mango tree is the less, banyan tree is the super. You going on, going on, going on, going on. It's never ending. Mango tree is also one ending point is there. After that, they are not growing. But banyan tree, 150 years also it is growing on. Yes. So this is HTML concept. Same thing in your programming languages. You are working as a concept of the inheritance. One of the OOPS methodology topic. But we are not developing any inheritance or etc. Sir. So luckily, these all are already developed. We are enjoying. Simple. Programming languages, nothing developed. You are developing. That is the small difference between this subject or programming languages. There nothing is there. Everything you have to write. Here already defined. Just we are identifying and using in the program. So officially or unofficially, every HTML tag is either parent or child only, except the HTML. Rest of all ours should be playing as a parent role and a child role. You are child or parent? Huh? Today, or 5 years after, or 10 years after, or 30 years after, Ammamalo. Grandparents. But 30 years, 40 years, and the next generations are forming. So whenever the next generation is came, sir, you are promoting to not upper, promoting to next level. So, but now comes to this one, first child, last child. We have a lot of child tags in our HTML. In that child tags, first child tag, I want to apply something styles. Only the first child tag only I want to apply some special CSS settings. Then we are using this first child. It is applying the given styles for only first child. The tag contains n number of childs, but effect is goes to only first child only. Balance childs not impacted. But these also I want to apply the sir. Balance, you have some more CSS selectors. So this selector user to define styles for the first position child tag. The very first position child tag. Marriage చేసుకోపోతే నా హిమాలయాస్. So purpose is this one, sir. On which child you want to apply, you have to decide first one, then go for the applying. But applying and mapping process, browser responsibility, our responsibility, yes, sir. Browser will take care about it, because this is not my own name, already defined in the software. So what is the meaning of first child? Browser knows. But which styles they want to apply, browser no idea. So the styles we are defining. Use it to define the styles for the first position child. Then how to write the syntax, sir? Basic syntax comes like this: colon symbol. Already 3 symbols we use it, sir. Star symbol, hash symbol, dot symbol. Star symbol is called as universal selector. Hash ID, dot class, colon is the pseudo selectors. Every pseudo selector before colon symbol is comes. Reasons, sir? No idea. Then nothing else, sir. All our selectors together, how to identify easily, and we have to follow the different symbols. So for your convenience only, they are using the different symbols for every selector. Symbols not available, sir. When you are watching the source code, we can't identify is the tag, ID, class. 100% no chance. See that I'm writing some head one, but now no symbols are. All 10 selectors are defined without any symbol. But identify this one, which one in the 10 selectors? Tag, idea, class, child, parent, universal, no idea. As per your mindset, you are blindly following one. The right or wrong, God only knows that one. So for avoiding of these confusions, they are providing the separate symbols for easy recognition. So colon followed by first child, open curly bracket, and write your property and value. So how many properties you want to write, that is your interest. The actual syntax. Every pseudo selector should start with the colon symbol. Don't forget that. Every pseudo class or every pseudo selector, they should start with the colon symbol. But now when I write like this, browser getting a small confusion. Why, sir? As a developer, I requested the browser apply these styles on first child. But browser asking question, who's first child? Ramarao first child, Krishna Rao first child, Venkateswara Rao first child. Village, one village available, sir. 500 families available in village. Out of 500 families, 400 families kids available, right? In this 400 families, first kid available or not? Huh? 400 families, they have the kids. The compulsory first kid available or not? 400 families, third kid available? No idea. But first kid, compulsory. But you are asking here, apply the styles on first kid. Who's first kid? The name is also required. So before the colon symbol, for better clarity, write one of the tag selector, means tag name. Otherwise, you can write one ID selector name. The so-and-so ID selector child or so-and-so tag child. Or otherwise, we can also write a class. You have to write the three key things, sir. If I am not defined anything, browser getting confusion. In that confusion, it takes their own decisions. What happens, sir? But 400 families first child available, 400 first childs are got affected. 400 first childs are got affected, and almost whole page is affected. If you want to stop that unnecessary operations, please inform here clearly to browser. So colon before, we can write one tag name, or colon before, we can write one ID selector, or colon before, we can write one class selector. Suppose if I write the class, sir, apply these properties on first child. Who's first child? This first child. That person first child. Same tag is also same meaning and ID is also same meaning. So this information not available, once again repeating point. This information not available, browser blindly applying to all. But all we don't want, sir, so-and-so tag inside child only we want to apply. But we have to write clarity here like this. So defining the styles for the first child of the sum tag. Same process comes to the last child. Same explanation, sir. Define the styles for the last position child. Defining the styles for last position child tag. Syntax also same, meaning also same, but placement changing, that's all. Previous explanation, the very first child, and this explanation, the very last child. For first child to last child, we have selectors, sir. But what about the second, third, fourth child, sir? Nth selector available. The second, third, 4, 5, 6, if you want to represent it, sir, so many positions are comes. That number of selectors defining is not possible. Then only they prepared simply nth child. Nth child inside, we have to write the positional. Explanations, syntaxes, three same, sir. Only position changing, that's all. This is nth child. First to last I covered, but between middle childs available. 2, 3, 4, 5. These also we want to define the styles. For that, separately defined one. So this selector used to define the styles for nth position child. N means how much is our second or third or fourth or sir. You have to inform. You should mention that one. Same as to mana arrays style, sir. Mana matrix arrays concept available. Na? A of 0, A of 1, A of 2 we are writing. Na? Like that, index we have to specify. Nth position child. What about the syntax, sir? Nth child of the brackets are comes. Why brackets are? Position writing. Write your n value here. Right here, n value. What is the n minimum value, sir? Minimum 1, no, maximum n. So if suppose if I write like this, sir, it is applying the styles on the third position child. In third place, which child is sitting, that child is got affected. If I write the 10th here, sir, 10th position child tag is affected. If I write the 1 here, sir, first position child tag is affected. So you can write any value, sir, between the 1 to n. This is n. In place of n, we can also write another option. That is our actual topic. But already IPL table, narrative table, we already observed. First record, third record, 7, 9, 11, 13, one pattern available. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, one pattern available. But what is this 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 17? Odd numbers. You have an option to write here odd. In place of n, we can also write directly odd. How many odd records available, or how many odd position childs available? That all are affecting directly. Even mapping also not required. Suppose, just an explanation. UL tag is available, sir. Unordered list. Unordered list inside LI tags are comes. How many LIs I have, sir? 100 LIs are available. But when I write like this, what happens? In out of 100, how many odds available generally? 50 odd available. 50 odd LI tags are got affected. Automatically, it is applying your styles for the 50 LI tags. Which LI tags and odd positions LI tags. Same way, in place of odd, we can also write even. All even position childs. But now mapping required, sir? No. Today's first explanation, you have to map the classes. But now current explanation, we don't need to map it. So 3 options. One is you can write the particular n value. Otherwise, you can write the odd, or you can write the even. This is the particular position, and this one covers all odd position tags, and this one is covers all even position tags. But 1000 records available, sir. 500 odd covering, 500 even covering. Single mapping also not necessary. Mapping no need. There is extra advantage here. So these are the 3: first child, last child, and your required child. Next one, hover. Actually, hand over, sir. The full form of HOVER is nothing but an hand over. Now, anchor tags, remember, hyperlinks anchor tags. Generally, mouse pointer is comes on to the anchor tag. This hand symbol is comes. This hand symbol related at this pointer. So this is our mouse pointer. Whenever the mouse pointer comes on to your tag, whenever the mouse pointer is comes over your tag, I want to apply some styles here, sir. The regular websites we are watching, sir, mouse pointer is comes on to particular item, a color changing. Maybe some websites say the underline is comes suddenly. Some websites background color is going to changing. 99% of the website, the HOVER option is available. Whatever. Chatting websites are, social media websites are, shopping websites are. 99% of websites, this is available. This is HOVER and this is the HOUT. So suppose this is our tag, something tag, paragraph. This is paragraph. And this is our mouse pointer, sir. But when now this mouse pointer enter onto this one, sir, hover activated automatically. A hover inside, what are the styles you designed? That styles are affecting. So the tag appearance is going to changing. When the mouse pointer comes out, sir, the restores with the old style. The actual style of the tag is there, na, that is going to restoring. This is not only websites, sir. Even our Windows operating system also, we have this one. So this is my mouse pointer, right? Play, you got a lot of icons available here. Place any of the icon. Box comes, come out, come in, come out. But icon appearance is changing or not, sir? This is called as hover. The same thing in our websites also happens. Observed or not observed? 99% of websites we have this option. Don't think about the box too much. Sir, boxes we are not getting any websites, sir. I'm not talking about the boxes. Some changes are happens. Some websites background color changing. Some websites foreground color changing. Some websites underlines comes. Some websites small animation playing. Animation playing your shopping websites, Amazon, Flipkart. When you place the mouse pointer on the product, sir, small animation playing. Not observed. Huh? My Amazon playing. My Flipkart also playing. Really? మా ఊర్లో ప్లే అవుతుంది. ఇన్ మై హోమ్ టౌన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ప్లేయింగ్. మీ ఊర్లో ప్లే అవుదా? Try to open Flipkart. So get down. Your products are water bottle, there's something available. So take the mouse pointer, place on that image. This is animation. See that one. When it's the animation playing, sir, when the mouse pointer is comes, means hover. What is that animation, sir? Your image is a little bit enlarging like this. That is called as zoom in, zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out is the same thing. See that? Zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out like this. If you place the mouse pointer on any of the products, this animation playing like that. We have some icons here. Place that one, color changing or not? This is hover concept. But you said that not observed. But you did the so many times shopping. Huh? Makeup kits, dress, cheppal, earrings. What we did? Pant shirt and so the full form is hand over, sir. And it is used to apply the styles. Use it to apply the styles whenever mouse pointer or mouse enters into tag area. Mouse enters into tag area. So hover is applying some CSS styles. Which styles are those we have to define ourselves. But when it is applying, sir, whenever the mouse pointer enters into your tag area, or if the mouse comes out, sir, the mouse coming out of the tag, it restores with original styles. That also we have to write the code, sir. No. Only hand over we are writing. Hand out to browser responsibility. Two logics we don't need to write. So if the mouse comes out of the tag area, then browser restores old settings or old styles. Browser restores the old styles. And what about the syntax? As usual, either tag name or ID selector name or class selector name, colon, H over, followed by right inside the some properties. Can I make any changes, sir, in handover, sir? How many CSS properties you know? Change anything. You know 20 CSS properties, sir. Colors, backgrounds, or something. 20 properties you can change. No objections in that one. So initially, I explained the 4 pseudo classes come pseudo selectors. Theoretical part completed, sir. Now I'll show the example on these 4. 4 completed, amma. First child, last child, nth child, H over, amma. Ma urlo 4 అని అంటారు. 4 selectors completed. These 4 selectors program also I'm showing. You will get some better knowledge. And sometimes the theory scenario we are unable to understand, sir. After watching the output, some understandability comes. Some concepts theory are giving the full clarity. Now see the program on this one. The 4 selectors what I applied, the code I am going to showing. These are the common lines, sir. Daily I'm copy pasting this one. Doc type, HTML language equals to English. Head title followed by example 38. Linking of the logos. Head close body. Same code copy pasting. Body inside only I'm focusing. So we want to apply those all the things perfectly. We need one parent and number of childs. One parent and number of childs available. Those all are working perfectly because those are the child selectors. Without child, no use. So that's what I'm doing, sir. UL tag I'm taking unorder list. You order list also okay, no problem. And inside that we are printing some rough data, some company names. Suppose Microsoft, LI close. 7 to 8 companies I'm taking, sir. The events arts also working perfectly and not if you want to identify with a bunch of tags required. So change the company's names. One, two, three, four, five. One more. So 9 tags I'm using here. In that 9 tags, 5 are the art tags, 4 are the event tags. Now start the CSS. Go to the head section, style. So colon first child. Colon first child. Open curly bracket. I want to change the color. Which colors are? Red color. Apply the color red on which tags are? First child. Who's first child? No idea. What is the first child name, sir? No idea. So what is the final result, sir? The final result is affected to almost all tags, sir. That is improper coding. That is not system problem. Instruction we are not given properly. So then only it's all tags. But on top of that one, H3 tag is there, heading tag. The heading tag also affected, see that one. Heading tags are affected, li tags also affected. If you have some more tags, sir, those are also affecting. So wrong way of instructions. So go to here, write li, apply the first li child tag. We have a lot of LIs here, sir. Total 9 LIs are available. In that, who is the first LI, sir? Microsoft. So this Microsoft only got affected. Now see that. Only first child affected. Like that. Last child I want to affect it, sir. Once again. LI. Last child. Last child. Open curly bracket. Color followed by blue. First child in red color, last child in the blue color. Go and check it. We did any mapping? No. Same output we can also produce with either ID selector or class selector also, 100%. Create two ID selectors. But first ID selector should map to first LI. Second ID selector should map to last. Even if you take the class selectors also, mapping required. But here mapping not available. And one more advantage, automatic updations if positions changed. Suppose Apple going to the CA position, CA coming to the Apple position, sir. Who is the last child? CA. Now CA only affected. But when you are go to the ID and class selectors, Apple only affected, CA not affected, because mapping you are not changed here. So who is sitting in the last position? The CA na, Apple, Oracle, Sun Microsystem, Hadoop, something I don't know. Which company is sitting in the last chair that it is affecting. So right now Ramarao will be in the last child. After that Subbarao is comes. Next Ankayama, next Pullamma comes. Oh, anybody is applying. But mapping scenarios, this is not possible. So first child is affected and last child is also affected. Now back. Li colon nth child followed by 3. I want to apply the settings on third position. Who is the third position, sir? I don't know. Who is available? Apply on that one. So color followed by green, I'm going to taking here. The third child comes in the green color. Check it. Who is Oracle? Oracle displaying in the green color. No, third I don't like, sir. 7 my lucky number, sir. I'll write the 7. 7th position child applying the green color. Which index you mentioned that your position is applying. You can test any other number. We have total 1 to 9. 1 least to 9 highest. Now say one number. 6. ADP applied. Next. Second. Okay. Google applied. First also. But already we applied some styles on first. What happens? Overlapping. But who is the final affected? Green is affected. Same type of situation 2 days back I explained, sir. As per the definition order, it is applying the styles. The very first red color applied because in the top of the program. But while come to the middle of the program, the red is replaced to green. So lastly, green applied. Red overlapped with the green. Now odd. So 5 records should get into the green color. Total 9 girls, sir. 9 out of 5. 9 out of 5 records. Even single mapping also not done. Next, even. Odd replaced with even. 4 even records. Affected together. 2, 4, 6 and 8. We advantage. If you don't know these things, suddenly it's not striked out, sir. What is actual coding style? I'll show it just for your awareness. Then you will get the advantage of the pseudo selectors. So I'm writing a small class selector here. What is that, sir? First F, FC, and first child. And here I'm writing one more class selector, LC. last child. Even odd we'll see later. Two classes I defined with my old knowledge. But now it is affecting automatically? No. Check it once. Nothing. So go to the every tag, map it. Microsoft class equals to FC. And go to the last tag, sir. Class equals to LC. Then we'll get the expected output. Pseudo selectors also did the same thing only. We did the same thing without pseudo selectors support. What is your problem, sir? First problem, mapping. Second problem, future maintenance complication. What is the future maintenance complication, sir? CA rating increased. It is moving to or two positions after like this. Rating increased, sir. Positions are shuffled. We are not focused on the class selector. But what happens, sir? Seventh child is got into the blue color, but actually blue color we define for last child. Would what to do? Remove this class selector from here. Write that class selector here. LC. Today okay, but tomorrow same thing problem. Day after tomorrow same problem. And a lifelong changing is required. But with risky or not risky. This is in two records. Say, this is something better. We have 200 records like this, sir. So for all these complications, the simplest formation is the pseudo selectors. So even odd, n, all we tested, it's working everything properly. This is the testing example, sir. Selectors applying properly on our tag or not, we just tested. Yes, we got an idea, sir. Then go for original program, IPL points table designing program. One more available, H over. I'll show that one also. Wait. But when I'm moving mouse pointer on this company name, sir, the company name should be displayed with a different color. Pink color I want to display. Whenever the mouse pointer focused on the particular tag, the tag should be changed into the pink color. So implement the fourth one also. Li colon H over. What is the color, sir? Magenta color I'm going to taking, sir. Dark magenta. This is. So this is our mouse pointer. Take on to the any of the tag. Move to next one. Where your mouse pointer available, the tag is highlighted with the magenta color. This is called as H over. You have never seen this type of things in our websites? Lot of websites we have this. So many websites. The magenta color, don't think too much. Something color changing or not, think it. Magenta we have never seen and don't say that one. Magenta place black comes, black place yellow comes, yellow place red comes. But changes is important. All our workings are properly and perfectly. So demonstration and testing is done. Now we are going to the implementation, table implementation. First, I'm going to downloading logos. 10 teams logos I'm going to downloading. It's not available in our current system. Right click and save, sir, and download all the things into our images folder. Images downloading completed. Next, I'm trying to copy this data. Data copying from here, but writing code our own. Code I'm not explaining separately. When I'm typing, you have to observe. If you are observed, okay, not observed, program also completed. And in the single line also, I'm not explaining. What I'm typing, observe yourself and understand yourself. That's all. Because topic already completed. After typing of the program, I'm not explaining single line, just running the program and closing the program. The matter. Position team played one, no lost, tied, no result, net run rate, points. Hmm? Punjab. So table designing completed. Total we have 11 records in the table and columns almost to 9 columns, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 columns, 10 rows. And this is the initial output of the table. This is original look. Now we have images with the different sizes. We downloaded one. These all are okay, but first two only variety available, especially this one. Data is the proper, sir. PSBK missing. 6 to 1. PSK, no? Images, 10 images displaying, but variety sizes. We want to control the size and we have to apply the settings on the table. So table outline this one and try to apply the border. We'll get the table shape and feel also. This is our table shape. Now this ordinary table, we want to present like as a heroine. So we need a lot of makeup operations. And first of all, I'm applying the CSS settings on images because we have the variety sizes for images. Images sizes I'm controlling. Then what to do, sir? We'll go for some external CSS. Alternatively practicing one program external, one program internal. So external CSS I'm going to implementing here. Link rel equals to style sheet and href equals to table styles dot css. Recently we designed the grid styles. Now it is a table styles. It's the name of the CSS file. Now I'm creating CSS file here. External styles for table. The very first image settings. HTML code completed. Nothing to write in HTML as a completed. And focus only on the CSS. IMG and width of every image I need the 50 pixels and the height of the image is 50 pixels. Very small size it will comes. That's more enough. Actually, original website 30 pixels available. At least I'm displaying 50-50. Britannia, crack job. All images comes with uniform size, 50 by 50. Actually, 50 also excesses are. So they try to reduce some more because data size very small available, image size with a bigger size available. So better reduce another 10 pixels. The actual look of the table, this one. Next, table selectors required. First child, last child, nth child, especially nth child required. Because 10 teams available, in that 5 teams, I need one type of appearance. So 5 teams, I need the another type of. And 5 rows in one color, 5 rows in the another color. So start the one by one settings. First of all, table. And I'm going to applying the width of the table because table it comes very congested, very small size. Could take the big size, 600 pixels. I'm trying to apply. Some more required. You can increasing something better is more broadly available, looking good. Like as our cinema theater screens, width should be more, height should be the less. Then we'll get the good looking also. Okay, width okay. And after that, sir, font size. Let us displaying very small size here. So try to increase the size of the whole table. Whole table size I'm going to increasing. Font size, take the 20 pixels. Letter size increase it to 20 pixels. But previously now both look like a same, sir. Already 18 size available, sir, that I increase it to just 2 points. And this also not visible clearly, sir, and add some more. But when you are seeing this one in the nearest to monitor, it's a big size only, sir. Projectors don't follow that one. The distance problem available and resolution also high resolution. So bigger sizes also display like as a small only. The screen resolution thing. But normally when you are watching in your monitor, it looks like as big size. The next what, sir? Heading missing here. IPL 2022 points table. Heading is required. So what is the tag? Caption. Go to the table tag. Apply the caption here. What is the heading, sir? IPL 2022 points table. Caption close. And same way, try to get the table into center of the page also. Looking something betterly. And align equals to center. Caption applied and align changed. This is the look. Next, even rows, odd rows. The next one is the even rows and odd rows. So go to the CSS, colon, nth child, colon, nth child, followed by odd. Apply the odd childs. Whose odd childs are TR? TR tag. And what is the look of these things, sir? We are trying to change some background color. We need two backgrounds. Evens one background, odds one background. So which background? Decide yourself. Black and gray. Okay, na? Half rows black color, half rows dark gray color. White already available. In what way? Try this one once. Black. Wait. I'll show something. Try it. We need some dark gray color, not light gray. But again, black is dominating that one. Odd rows background color black, even rows background color gray. The little bit dark gray, sir. Try to watch the color combination once. Our data color we are changing, sir. Data color compulsory we have to change. Take the white to, then we will get the better appearance. So color equals to white. Data color is white. And here also data color is white. This is. But one small problem is there, sir. But how many times we applied the color white? 2 times. Any shortcut? Instead of writing 2 times? TD tag. So same property two times repeated, sir. So we are going to writing something better way of the coding. Go to the table tag and write the color equals to white. A whole table data color is white. One more problem is comes. Caption jump. Because caption is also part of the table only, so that one disappears. But no problem, sir. We have to apply the styles for caption tag also. At the time, red or blue or something color we are using, so that's not a problem. But here, coding simplification, this one. And what about the caption tags, sir? Coming to caption tag also here, take the font size of 30 pixels. Caption tag font size 30 pixels and color okay blue, and alignment. Right now it's available in the center, but I want to get into left alignment. Why, sir? The left different look is comes. And if you are interested, apply one background color also. It's look like as a one strip also, one strip or one bar. Next, what, sir? Headings. Focus on headings. Even rows, odd rows over. Without mapping, without any complication, very easily we applied by using these selectors. Simplest formation. Next one, focus on the headings columns. That is actually TH. But instead of TH, go for the TR colon first child. Is it first child or not? All headings available inside one TR. The TR is the first TR. So write the TR colon first child. Background color blue na. Okay. Foreground color yellow. The text color is yellow for only first record. That is nothing but an tables. And generally, tables data size should be bigger than the actual means headings. Especially heading size should be bigger than the data size. We will get something better look. Headings always should be highlighted than the data set. So try to take the some font size option here. Data size already 20 we used. 22, sorry. But headings try to take a 26. 24 also okay. 26 also okay. Only headings say. Semicolon missing. Headings bigger size, data small size. The general patterns. Next one. Just for awareness, I'm changing the code. Sir, we are applied the TR only. It's not possible to apply the columns, sir. Columns also we can apply. But the rows I shown in the alternative directions. Instead of rows, I want to display the columns alternative directions, sir. Odd columns one color, even columns one color. Any possibility is there? 100%. TR replace with the TD. TR replace with the TD. Same output vertically comes. See that one? Same output vertically comes. Odd columns, even columns. Previous one, odd rows, even rows. As per our requirement, sometimes some websites we have like this. Mostly row wise we are applying. Few cases column wise we are applying. Finally, I fix it to rows only, but explaining, that's all. Next one, H over. So try to move the mouse. Any changes in the colors? No. But when I'm moving the mouse pointer like this, I want to change the background color of the current row. Where my mouse pointer available, that row color I want to change. So apply the H over. On which tag? TD or table or TH? Table. Sure? Table colon H over. If you change the color here, background, which color? Already blue available, black over, black already is there here. I'll go for the yellow blue combination, reverse of the headings. Background yellow, text color is blue. Headings reverse combination. One small problem is comes here. Problem comes some. What happens, sir? If I get the mouse pointer onto the table, the whole table changing, sir. Because H4 before which tag you wrote it? Table. So it's changing the background color of the whole table. But we want to change the row. Table changing color is very, very bad idea. We want to change the particular line only, but not the whole. This is not my code. You only suggested this one, but I accepted. Practical, I want to show that one. The disco light. Wrong implementation. Wrong implementation. It's not my mistake. Your suggestion. You have to write the TR. Then the particular row is changing. See this one. So where the mouse pointer is available, that row is highlighted like this. Can I write the TDs are in place of TR? Yes, we can write TD also. That's not a problem. But TD means a whole column or particular box. Box. A particular box only changing, not the whole column. A cells we called as a cells, cell color changing. Exactly where your mouse pointer is available, a box only affected. And as per your interest, you can take anything. Another two more options available, sir. Okay, tomorrow we'll see that one. Thank you all. Girls, please wait. Girls, you can. Boys, you can go first. Boys, you can go first. Girls, you can go for later.